Just gonna do a little recap. I lucky forgot to record in the morning when I took the trade, but yeah, I'm gonna start recording that morning. So it's just I just have my like live thoughts and everything. Uh, but right now I'll just go over what I thought in the morning. Okay. On the daily, I saw that last week we still didn't fill in the weekly opening gap from the week prior and the start of last week. We didn't fill that in. Also, we had a crazy bullish just trend last week, just straight bullish. We broke all-time highs and everything, so I wanted to see a little retrace. I feel like a retrace is healthy right now, a retrace right now, and maybe the week, if not like a couple more days of bearish movement. If we fill in this gap today and we respect this fair value gap right here, I want to see more bullish trends. If we inverse this gap, I'd want to see it come down to either daily EQ, which would be right here, this line, the white line. I forgot about that. Yeah, which would be either this line or come at least fill in this gap. I'd want it to come down, fill in this gap, hit the EQ, and then reverse off of it. If we do inverse this gap, if not, then I just want to see more bullish post all-time highs, I guess, after, if it does respect this gap though. And then for today's trade, I thought it was gonna come down because we were already in a bearish move, and I saw the fair value gap. It got tapped into a slightly right here during market open, but then I was like, I wanted to push lower, maybe even inverse it, so I took shorts. Today my buys were shorts. Looking at 4 hour, 1 hour, I'm pretty sure we had a gap that I saw, and then we had a bearish SMT as well. Let me just make sure. 4 hour. Boom. Boom. No, we had a bullish SMT because someone else thought, like I was talking to, they thought it was gonna go long, but nah. Yeah. It's cool though. But yeah, okay. My bias or my profile, daily profile, was London consolidation, New York manipulation reversal, which is exactly what it did. London didn't sweep anything major like that, highs or lows. Market opens, we didn't sweep. Oh, sorry, yes, we didn't sweep London high exactly, but we swept most of London's highs right here, and then we saw sell pressure out of it, and it was also a liquidity sweep. Boom. We made an EQ. We made an EQ from this high down to here. I mark out the whole move instead of just marking out like the most recent one. Like, for example, I know some people just mark out the recent one and they call it EQ, but I like marking out the whole thing. That's just my preference. I think it works better for me. Like, some people just mark this as the EQ, but I rather mark like the whole move as the EQ. And yeah, marked out the EQ. We saw a tap in at 1040. Saw pressure out. I got a late fill, but the R was there. It was a good R, 2.05. It's not bad. I'd exit early, but if I didn't exit early, we would have still hit full take profit without even going a single point in drawdown. Yeah, tapped an EQ right here. Saw break this candle, broke right there. I could have entered here. I could have entered here even. I got a little late fill, but it's cool. I'm not gonna complain. I got a good trade today. Got filled. Had my stop loss first. I had it at this high because I usually have the second high or low for my stop loss. So first high, second high. I'd put this as my stop loss. But then when we saw big pushes down, I moved mine to here. I didn't take any partials. I just took full close right here because I saw the big draw, and then I saw an inverse right here, inverse this gap right here, close inside of it. So I closed out my trade. And yeah, for the rest of the week, I'd like it to go a little lower, but if we respect today's daily gap, then yeah, I'm not even gonna trade the rest of the year. I'm just wait till January. And yeah, I'm gonna start recording like while I'm trading though, so it's like I have my live reaction or like my live thoughts and all that. But yeah, cool.